Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset a Ring camera for a new user. So if you are a new owner and you want to reset your Ring camera, then you just have to simply follow these steps. So if you have the Ring stick up cam first generation, then you just have to lift the small cover on the back of the camera to find the orange setup button. Then press and hold the orange setup button for 20 seconds. The light on the front of the camera will flash for several minutes. When the light turns off, the reset is complete. If you have Ring stick up cam battery second generation, then you just have to simply undo the battery cover, find the orange setup button near the battery slot, press and hold the setup button for 10 seconds. The light on the front of the camera will flash for several minutes. When the light turns off, the reset is complete. So basically, whichever type of camera that you are using, you just have to simply uncover the battery cover. After that, you just have to find the orange button which you need to press and hold for around 10 seconds, or it might be for 20 seconds. Then a light will be flashed in front of you and it will do that for several minutes. So when the light turns off, it simply means that you have successfully reset your Ring camera. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.